Yes, I know. Oh my God. This is the nicest hotel resort thing. Heavy hardwood door with stained glass windows. The bathroom is insane. Wood flooring throughout. I've never been in a hotel with wood floors, and I love it. I love the shower. I wasn't going to take a shower, but we are now. I am. I don't know if that child's going to do it. I doubt he will. I am. That's cool. This big closet. Huge. 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 You could put a naughty child in that closet. Moses is sleepy. I am so excited. These are the softest things ever. Oh my God. This is really cool. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is cool. Okay, you ready?
No.
And go get a bite. Let's go get bitten.